This is PCB that I tried to repair. It was in quite bad shape. I changed some components. PCB has been cleaned, washed in water with some detergent, and I also degreased it with isopropyl alcohol. And the next stage is to remove any corrosion from the tracks. I'm going to remove first these two capacitors, and we'll test them, and then I will remove these resistors. They're definitely right. This transistor here is right. This diode here is broken. I'm not sure you may be able to see that it is actually cracked. You may or may not be able to see. This diode has a crack. And the best what I can get from this calculator is output on the display. Multiple zeros. Quite often there is nothing. Quite often there are just dots, which indicates probably a faulty main chip or one of the LED drivers. It's from 1970s, mid 1970s. I don't think there is any way of obtaining these parts anymore. So in the best efforts, I haven't managed to get this sorted. I may reuse the display because it has this nice color, nice digits, although it's quite small. The rest probably is going to be just useful for spares. A little bit of shame because these calculators are quite nice. But this is that. If we really were desperate, this can be replaced by a modern microcontroller, but I don't think it's really worth it. So, officially declared that.